Hi guys, I just wanted to show you an item that I'm selling. This is my vintage Minnie Mouse wind-up toy. I found her in a foreclosure that my husband and I purchased, and in a box labeled Old Toys, and she's in great shape. She does have a little bit of polish that I used, like a little residue from the polish, but she cleaned up very nicely. Her ears are in great condition. She is marked with copyright Walt Disney Productions, Mark's Toys Japan. So I think she's around circa 1950. I am not a collector. You would be purchasing her in as-is condition, although she does work. And I did get an appraiser to look at her and roughly give me an estimate. So I do understand what she is valued at given her condition and age. But I will show you that she works so that you can feel confident when you bid or when you make an offer to me. Let's see. Whoops. I'm gonna hold the little key. There she goes. Alrighty. So hopefully you will be lucky enough to make her part of your collection. Happy looking, happy bidding, happy buying.